Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel topic of electronics technology news is scaling board and tool cleaning. Designed for manufacturers seeking efficient board and tool cleaning, this system delivers higher capacity processing while fitting easily into space-constrained production lines. As electronics manufacturing scales up, cleaning systems are expected to handle higher throughput without demanding additional floor space. This balance is especially critical for production environments where space is limited, but process efficiency cannot be compromised. Cold cleaning technology addresses this need with the introduction of its 6 series cleaning systems, designed to deliver greater capacity within a compact footprint. The series expanded the company's portfolio with solutions aimed at both Eurocart and tool cleaning applications. With the addition of the CLH6 and the Acube LH6 and XH6 systems, manufacturers can clean up to 246 Eurocards in a single process cycle. This significantly increases throughput while maintaining controlled and efficient cleaning performance. The systems are suited for operations that require consistent results across medium production volumes. Tool and maintenance cleaning are also enhanced in the series. The models feature a spacious process chamber that can accommodate up to 7 carriers simultaneously. This enables faster and more precise cleaning of tools and components, helping reduce downtime and improve overall process efficiency. Despite the increased capacity, the 6 series systems are designed with a compact footprint. With dimensions of 1,240 mm in width and 1,400 mm in depth, they can be easily integrated into existing production lines without major layout changes. Key features include cleaning capacity of up to 246 Eurocards per process cycle, support for Eurocard, tool, and maintenance cleaning, space for up to 7 carriers in MH6 process chambers, compact system dimensions for flexible integration, designed for medium throughput production environments. Overall, the 6 series offers a practical solution for manufacturers seeking higher cleaning capacity, efficient processing, and minimal space requirements in modern production facilities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.